Today we are going to see inside this interfacing Arduino with Arduino cloud. So first let us have an interaction with that particular cloud. So generally if we go for the cloud, everything it is a virtual kind of data. So throughout the cloud, whenever we are integrating, what is the speciality while compared to the other clouds? So once when we are working regarding towards this clouds, here we have many integration options. On the other clouds like Azure or AWS, on the clouds we will be able to create a certificate and we have to download and add it towards the respective coding of the device. So the secret key, everything will be provided. But Arduino is the only cloud we will be able to write the entire coding structure. Automatically the sketches will be generated. Within that we have to add our condition, and from that condition it will be directly uploaded towards the respective board whatever we are using. So inside this particular Arduino, here we have to create an account. So from that we will be just creating a design, creating the dashboard, creating a variable, everything will be integrated. So from that integrations only we will be able to transfer the complete data towards the hardware. So similarly like web page or web page as well as with Blink app, by combining both we can create this particular Arduino cloud. So first we have to create an account in the cloud. So hereby I am just going to search Arduino cloud. So Arduino IoT cloud. Now it has logged in. So I have already created an account. Creating account is very simple. You can just log in with the Gmail itself. So here I have just opened my account, Arduino IoT. Now here within this we have multiple sections like thing, dashboard. So once if you are new to this particular part means this will be completely new over here. So hereby I am just deleting all the previous things so that you will get a fresh idea. Therefore no integrations has been provided. Templates, if you need any templates from Arduino's service itself means we can download it. Now let us go for the things. So first of all we have to create a thing. From that only we will be able to move on towards dashboard session. Okay, so inside this it is very simple. First let us see how to control a light. Here I am taken some basic LED. So with the help of this Arduino IoT itself we will be able to create it. First of all click on create thing. So therefore it has been opened. Now click on add variable. Variable is most important. Here we can add the variable based on our requirement. So if you want to provide the variable permission as read only means we can select read only. Read and write means read write. If you want to change that particular policy of the variable, we can change it as periodically or on change. So mostly you provide on change, that is better. No need to go for periodical. Now here we are going to provide read as well as write, and the name of the variable is MAS. Now select the type of variable. Type of variables, whether it should be string, point, float, integer, like that. So here I need that particular declaration in the form of any light. Okay, since we are going to control a device, we are going to select that light. So click on light option. Now I have selected the type of data. The declaration is cloud light face mass. MAS is our variable. Now click on add variable. Therefore our variable is ready. Now we have to select the device. Since we are using NodeMCU, this is completely a third party device. Okay, so click on third party, select ESP8266, select the model, NodeMCU 1.0. Like what we do in Arduino offline software, the same part only here also. Click on continue, name, contact. Click on next. So here we are having some ID. Download that PDF. If you don't want to download the PDF means copy that, paste it up over here. Making it as device ID, secret key. So just for a safety, I'm just taking this. Okay, now everything is ready. Okay, now our device is completely ready. Now since we are going to use this IoT part, we have to create a network like for password. So name of the Wi-Fi is Pantech. Password of the Wi-Fi Pantech @ Paste that secret key over here. This secret key should be pasted. Now everything is ready and our sketch is also ready for that. Get into the sketch. So here only half editor will be there. Click on open full editor. And now our coding part is ready. On mask change. So here only we have to do all the requirement. Now select the pin. Here I have selected the pin as D3. Pin mode D3 comma output. If what is the variable we have given, it is MAS. MAS equal to 1. Digital write within bracket D3 comma high. Else digital write within bracket D3 comma low. Now we have created all the codes and everything. Now what is the missing over here means we have not created a button for it. So button or switch that is needed, I hope so. Before that, see, this is the board whichever it has been connected to our cloud in COM9. To check that, go to device manager, COM9, node MCU, now selected. The board has been selected. Now let us upload the code. Click on upload. This is the upload code, similar to Arduino offline only. Uploading the code, it takes a while. Now here we can see the code is getting uploaded. It has started to upload, and hereby we have the light. Now get back to the dashboard. Build a dashboard. First we have to design. So here I need switch. So switch is ready. Hide the frame. On off label should be displayed. We have to link the variable. Click on mask. Now link the variable and click on done. Now get back to our execution mode. Now the code is being uploaded. 58% completed. Everything is uploaded. Now get to Arduino cloud. Turn it off. Now turn it on. And therefore our LED is now glowing. So in this way only we will be working with Arduino cloud. So this is that particular thing properties. Automatically the SSID, thing ID, device login name, everything will be generated. The function is void. Now this function here we are calling it. As usual we have provided the pin mode, Arduino cloud begin, cloud properties, cloud update, void mask change. If mask equal to 1, this is that variable we have applied. Okay, so based on the variable the function has been applied over here. Mask equal to 1 means LED will be high, else LED will be low. Get back to the cloud, turn it off. Now it has turned off. In this the paid version is also there, free version is also there. Paid version means some widgets might be added. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.